Hey everyone, Instagram has a new update that lets you add emojis a lot faster on comments, videos, and photos on Instagram. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you where that is, so you could use that update to be more efficient on Instagram. If it's your first time here, I post easy to follow Instagram videos every single day of the week, so please consider subscribing. So you could do this on any Instagram post. It could even be your post. So go ahead and find a post that you want to use this shortcut on and go ahead and click it. So I'll just do it on this post. And as usual, the way you comment on a post is you click the comment tag right next to the heart. And as you could see right on top now, the emoji slider is visible. And this is based on the most popular emojis that you've used to comment on other people's posts. So simply by clicking each one, you could go ahead and use those, and these are going to change depending on what you use from time to time. So instead of having to press the globe icon here and then finding the emoji that you want on your iPhone, for example, you could simply do it right on top here. So I'll show you on a different Instagram channel here. On this one, if I go to a post and if I click comments, my Instagram emojis are different because these are the popular emojis that I use on this channel. So they look a little bit different, and these are always going to change depending on what you use the most. So I hope this quick shortcut could help you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for a lot more videos just like this one, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.